ChatGPT is a new AI bot in town, and even if you're not interested in artificial intelligence, you should watch this video. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, allows you to ask queries in natural English, to which the chatbot responds in a conversational manner. The bot also recalls the course of your conversation, drawing on prior queries and replies to guide its upcoming responses drawn from massive amounts of data on the internet. In regions where there's a good training data for it to learn from, the bot is reasonably knowledgeable. It is not yet omniscient or intelligent enough to replace all humans, but it can be creative, and its responses can sound authoritative. ChatGPT has over 1 million users just a few days after its inception. However, ChatGPT's inventor, the for-profit research organization OpenAI, warns that it may occasionally create false or misleading information. But why then is it gaining so much traction? Actually, ChatGPT was released to demonstrate and test the capabilities of a large, sophisticated AI system. You can ask it as many questions as you like, and it will usually respond with relevant information. But the catch is that ChatGPT doesn't know anything. It's an artificial intelligence that's been trained to recognize patterns in large swaths of text taken from the internet, then further trained with human input to offer more useful, better dialogue. As OpenAI warns, the answers you receive may appear plausible and even authoritative, yet they may be completely incorrect. You may ask anything, but you may not receive an answer. OpenAI offers a few topics, such as explaining physics, soliciting birthday party ideas, and seeking programming assistance. ChatGPT has a wide range of skills, and its ability to follow a conversation is impressive. There are numerous reports of the bot completely blowing people's heads. Twitter is flooded with users demonstrating the AI's ability to generate creative suggestions and write code. Some have even declared that Google is dead. OpenAI created ChatGPT to assist in creating a safe and helpful artificial general intelligence system. GPT-3 and GPT 3.5 upgrade, on which ChatGPT is based, are examples of big language models, a type of AI technology. They are trained to generate text based on what they have observed, and they can be trained automatically, generally with massive amounts of computer power over weeks. For example, the training process could locate a random piece of text, eliminate a few words, ask the AI to fill in the blanks, compare the outcome to the original, and then reward the AI system for being as near to the original as feasible. Over time, repetition can evolve into a sophisticated ability to generate text. And although, for the time being, ChatGPT is free, it might not be the case soon. We will have to monetize it somehow at some point. The computing expenses are eye-watering. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has cautioned. However, OpenAI appears to have found some customers, most likely for its GPT tools. OpenAI forecasts $200 million in income in 2023 and $1 billion in 2024. However, it is again important to remember that ChatGPT can provide incorrect replies. It will occasionally, and hopefully, tell you of its flaws. If you ask it a very well-structured question with the intent that it gives you the right answer, you'll probably get the right answer. But if you throw it a curveball, you'll get nonsense. Also, by asking the same question numerous times, you can observe how artistic a BS artist ChatGPT can be. Stack Overflow, a software developer platform, has banned ChatGPT answers to programming queries. Because the average rate of getting proper responses from ChatGPT is too low, posting answers made by ChatGPT is substantially harmful to the site and to users who are asking or looking for correct answers, the administrators of the site have warned. Also, ChatGPT is frequently unable to address questions that do not have obvious answers. But the fact that it provides an answer at all is a significant advancement in computing. Computers are notoriously literal, refusing to work unless strict syntax and interface requirements are met. Large language models are exhibiting a more human-friendly interaction style, as well as the ability to generate answers that are midway between imitation and inventiveness. And now, let's move on to another question that many of you might be waiting for. Will ChatGPT help students cheat more effectively? Yes, but like with many other technological advances, it is not a simple black and white problem. students could copy encyclopedia entries from decades ago, and more recently, they could browse the internet and read Wikipedia entries. ChatGPT provides additional capabilities ranging from assisting with research to completely doing your homework for you. Many ChatGPT responses already sound like student essays, albeit with a stuffier and more pedantic tone than a writer might desire. Daniel Herman, a high school instructor, found that ChatGPT already writes better than most pupils nowadays. He is split between enjoying ChatGPT's potential utility and dreading its negative impact on human learning. Dustin York, an associate professor of communication at Maryville University, expects that educators will learn to use ChatGPT as a tool and see its potential to help students think critically. ChatGPT can even develop software, but with reservations. ChatGPT can retrace human steps and generate genuine computer code. You only have to make sure you're not stumbling over programming ideas or utilizing outdated software. The Stack Overflow prohibitions on ChatGPT-generated software is there for a reason. However, there is enough software available on the internet for ChatGPT to work. One developer, Cobalt Robotics Chief Technology Officer Eric Sklintz, stated that ChatGPT delivers valuable enough advice that he hasn't opened Stack Overflow once in 3 days. Gabe Ragland of the AI art site Lexica used ChatGPT to build website code built using the React tool. ChatGPT can parse regular expressions or regex, a strong but sophisticated system for detecting certain patterns such as dates in a string of text or the name of a server in an internet address. It's like having a programming instructor on hand 24/7, programmer James Blackwell said of ChatGPT's ability to explain regex. ChatGPT can also imitate a Linux computer and respond to command line input correctly. But still, ChatGPT is designed to filter out inappropriate requests, which aligns with OpenAI's objective to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. If you ask ChatGPT what is prohibited, it will inform you of any inquiries that are discriminatory, offensive, or inappropriate. This includes inquiries that are racist, sexist, homophobic, transphobic, or otherwise discriminatory or hateful. Inviting it to participate in unlawful acts is likewise prohibited. Asking a computer a question and getting an answer is useful, and ChatGPT frequently delivers. Google frequently provides you with potential answers to inquiries, as well as links to websites it believes will be relevant. ChatGPT's responses frequently outperform those of Google. Therefore, it's easy to believe GPT-3 is a competitor. But you should think twice before putting your trust in ChatGPT. It is recommended practice, like with Google and other sources of information such as Wikipedia, to check information from sources before relying on it. It requires some effort to verify the accuracy of ChatGPT's answers because it simply provides a raw text with no links or citations. However, it can be informative and, in some situations, thought-provoking. And although ChatGPT is not directly visible to Google search results, Google has constructed enormous language modules of its own and already employs AI extensively in search. So ChatGPT is undoubtedly paving the way for our technological future. This brings us to the end of this video. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can bring more content like this. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time!